Hey folks, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And right now I want to give you a great suggestion if you need to put in a new gas heating system in one of your tenants' apartments. Now, you can easily spend 5 figures all day putting in fancy heating systems in your apartments, but really, is it worth it? And the answer is usually no. And the problem is, a lot of landlords will make decisions based on what they would want to live in or their family would want to live in. And that's usually going to drive the price through the roof. So think about it. All the time, $10,000. Or you can get a Williams wall-mounted gas-blowing heater. Ever heard of it? Probably not. Okay, now what it is, it's a very sleek heater. You mount it to the wall and it blows out the heat. It's got a fan in it and the problem is solved. But one of the biggest downsides is the furthest rooms from the heater are obviously not going to get covered as efficiently. Okay, so if you have 6 rooms away, it's got to travel the heat through those doors to get to that final room. But if the tenant leaves the door open, not a big deal. And that's not of your concern, okay? You may not prefer that, but you're providing heat. So this is a cost-effective solution. It's not perfect, but it's legal, it's legit, and it works. All of my apartments that have gas have been converted to Williams heaters, and it's been phenomenal. The tenants don't complain, they love it. So you can do that. You could spend $500-600 on one of these heaters and a plumber's install, maybe a day's work. You've just saved thousands, okay? You can thank us later. And any questions, just contact us. And once again, this is Greg. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters here in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Your property managed.